Good morning students, hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class I sent one PDF that is about the third chapter only, right? So third chapter starting, that is about the factors as well as the multiplers, okay? What is the difference between the factors as well as the multiples, and as well as they are given us some divisibility test rules, okay? Divisibility test rules, that is a divisibility by a 4 and divisibility test for the 6 and divisibility test for the 11. After that, yeah, all those things are given in the last class. That is about the PDF I am telling, okay? Hope everyone read that one. Have you read that one? Don't know, only you written, right? You have to read that rules, okay? Then if you read that rules, then only you can solve the problem, otherwise you can't. For that reason only I sent that one, right? So you have to please read and write, don't simply write here. Understanding what I'm saying here? Next one, so we'll begin with the third chapter now, factors and multiples. Chapter number 3, factors and multiples, okay? Factors and multiples. In that, first one we'll do the let's recollect problems, okay? Otherwise, let's recollect problems, do it yourself. How to find factors you know already, okay? So just we directly go to the divisibility test rules. So what are the divisibility test rules, we'll discuss now, okay? So first one is if it is a divisible by 2, how we will check that is divisible by 2? Already we learnt in the 4th standard. If the last means ones place value is a even number, okay? If ones place value is a even number, then we can say that is a divisibility by 2, okay? Now we see the divisibility test, okay? So first for a 2, divisibility for 2. What is the rule for divisibility for 2 here? That is, if last digit of a number is even. If the last digit of a number is even, then it is divisibility by 2, okay? Next, for 3. For 3, what is the number here? Sum of the digits here. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. See here, if the number is like this, 21. If the number is 21, how to check here? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 is divisible by 3? Yes, like that, okay? So if the number is larger, then take the sum of the digits. Sum of the digit means what here? 1 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6. Okay? Do the sum of the digits. If you are getting a sum is divisible by 3, then that whole number is divisible by 3. That is the rule for the divisibility of a 3 that you already studied in the 4th standard. Okay? Now we go for the divisibility rule for the 4. Okay? Now check for the 4. For 4. How to check 4 here? Last, they given a rule here, that is a number is said to be a divisible by 4 if the number made by the last 2 digits of the number is divisible by 4 or the number ends in a 00. Okay, see here, last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or last 2 digits are 00. Last 2 digits are here 00. Okay, if the number is like this 464. Okay, so how to check whether it is divisible by 4? Last 2 digit number. Last 2 digit number means here 64. Now check whether 64 is divisible by 4 or not. Only last last two digits you have to check here. Okay. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. That is the rule for the 4. Okay. Next fourth one, divisibility test for the 6. For 6. What is the rule for 6 here? If it is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay. If the given number is divisible by 2 as well as the 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 6. Okay. It must divide both the 2 and 3. If it is divisible by 3 and it is phase 2 divisible by 2, then it is not divisible by 6. Okay. We want for both here. For 2 also, for 3 also, it must divide. Then only we can say it is divisible by 6. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 6. Getting everyone? Next one is divisibility test for the 8. Okay, we'll check for 8 also. That is last 3 digit numbers. You have to consider here. Fifth one, 4, 8. Okay, so last in 4 you studied only last 2 digit number. In 8, last 3 digit number. Or last 3 digits are last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Like that. Divisible by 8. See here, if 800, 432 is there. So last 3 digits number are here 432. So check whether it is divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40. Here 3 0. Next 8 4s are 32. Right? So it is divisible by. So the last 3 digits are here divisible by 8. Then what we can say? This whole number, that is 8432 is divisible by 8. Only whatever may be the number, just check for the last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits are the divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. This is the divisibility rule for the 8 here. Okay. So next last rule for the 11. 11. Where I have to write here? Okay, here I write here. So for 11. Okay. So for 11, what is the rule for 7? Sorry, 11. That is, if the difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a number is either 0 or 11. Okay. See here. Difference between alternate digits. Sum of alternate digits. Sum of alternate digits is 0 or divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. See here. I'll give an example here. The number is 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3. Like this. Okay. Alternative digits. What are the alternative digits here? This one. First consider this number. Next leave the second number. Take the third number again. Again leave the fourth number. Take this. So that is the limit of 1 plus 6 plus 2. Next 5 plus 7 plus 3. So what is the answer here? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 here. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now take the difference of these two. Difference of these two is 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So it is not a 0. 6 is not a 0. And again, whether 6 is divisible by 11? No. Then what we can say here? This number. It is not a divisible. It is not divisible by 11. Like this we have to check for the divisibility for 11. Okay. So these are the rules I sent in a PDF. Okay. So now based on this exercise number 3.1 is there. We'll do the 3.1 now. Okay, so we'll start the 3.1 now. Okay, we'll begin the 3.1. In 3.1, what is that one? Color those numbers that are divisible by 4. Okay, that in a purple color. Okay, they told to color the numbers, but don't color. Okay, just write whether it is a divisible by 4 or not, like that. Okay, you are in a 5th standard, don't do the color now. Okay, so just write the whether it is divisible by 4 or not, like that. Okay, so first one, 3.1, first one, 8 one. What is the number they given here? 3524. So what is the divisibility test for the 4 here? Last two digits are must be divisible by 4 here. So last two digits are what here? That is 24. Last two digits are here 24. Whether it is divisible by 24? Sorry, 4. See here. 24 is in a 4 table. Yes, 4 6 are 24. Then it is not divisible by 4 here, right here. So 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 3524 is divisible by 4. Like that you have to write. Next one is a B1. What is the B one here? 9840. No. 9842. What are the last two digits here? Last two digits are here 42. Right? So now observe. Divide here. 42 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Here 0. Again here 2 left. Right? So it is not a divisible. Right here. 42 is not divisible. Is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 9842 is not divisible by 4. Like that you have to write every problem. For every problem you have to write like this only. Next one, C one. What is the C question here? 21,790. Okay. So what are the last two digits there here? Last two digits are here 92. So now divide 92 by 4 here. 4 2s are 8 here. 1 left 2. Next 4 3s are 12. So it is a divisible by 4. Right here. 92 is a divisible by 92 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 21,792 is divisible by 4. Like that you have to write. Getting everyone? Next one. D one. 9,064. Again check for the last two digits. That is 64. 4 ones are 4, 2 left. Here 4, 4 6 are 24. Here 64 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 9064 is divisible by 4. Understanding what I am doing here? Hope everyone are understanding. Next, last one is eighth one. Here, write eighth one. What is the question? Eighth one here. 16,582. 16,582. What are the last two digits here? 82. Right? So now divide 82 by 4 here. 4 2s are 8. Here 0 again. 2 left, right? So it is not divisible by 4, right here. 82 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 16,582 is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. Okay. So, we finished the first main. Now, we will go for the second main. Okay. Color those numbers that are divisible by 6. Okay. Don't color here. Just write like this. We have to check for the 6 now. For first main, divisibility for the 4 they told. Second main is about the divisible by 6. Third main is a divisible by 8 and fourth main is a divisible by 11 is there. Okay. We'll do the second main now. Start the second main. Second main. Okay. Second main, first question. That is 59,426. So what is the divisibility rule for a 6 here? Divisibility rule for a 6 is nothing but it must be divisible by 2 as well as the 3. What is the divisibility for 2 here? Divisibility for 2 is nothing but the last digit must be a even number, right? Now observe, last digit is a 6, right? So 6 is, whether 6 is the even number? Yes. Then it must be a divisible by 2 here, right here first. It is divisible by 2. Okay. It is divisible by 2. Next, check for a 3. How to check for a 3 here? Take the sum of digits. That is, this is the first case. Second case. That is nothing but a 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. What is the answer here? 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. So whether 26 is divisible by 3? In 3 table 26 is there? No. Then right here it is not divisible by 3. Okay. So I told both, it must be divided by both the 2 and 3. But here it is divisible by 2 but not by 3. Then what we can write here? It is not divisible by 6. Right here. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Getting everyone? Next, go for the bth one. What is the bth one here? Same. Bth one is a 30,957. Right? So same thing. So last number is first case. It is not divisible by 2. Then no need to check the second case. Already one case is not divisible. Then directly we can write, therefore it is not divisible by 6. Like that we have to write here. Okay. So next one is okay. Now we'll go with the next 3 problems. Do it yourself. Cth one, dth one, eth one. Do it yourself. I won't do that one. Okay. Similarly, like this only you have to check. Cth one, dth one, eth one. Okay. Next, directly I'll move to the third main, that is divisible by 8. So check for the divisibility of 8 here. We will start with the third main, that is divisible by 8. Go for the third main now. Third main. Okay. Divisible by 8. So first one I will tell here, 8 one, 25,192. So what is the divisible by 8 rule? that means last 3 digits. Okay, if last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then we can say that number is divisible by 8 here. So what are the last 3 digit number here? 192. So now divide the 192 with the 8. 8 2s are 60, 3 left, here 2, 8 4s are 32, right? So it is divisible by 8 now, right here. 192 is divisible by 8. Therefore 25,192 is divisible by 8. Same thing, check for the beat one also. What is the beat question here? 34,361. What are the last 3 digit number? That is 361. Divide with the 8. 8 4s are 32. Here 4 left, 0, 1. 8 5s are 40. So 1 is the remainder. Then it is not divisible by 8. Right here. 361 is not divisible by 8. Therefore 34,361 is not divisible by 8. Like that you have to write here. Okay. Next, Cth one, Dth one, E. All next 3 problems do it yourself. Okay. So next we will go for the fourth main. Begin with the fourth main. Fourth main is here. Fourth main, that is A. 1,37,654. So we have to take the sum of the alternative digits. Already I told one example in the beginning only. So here 1 plus 7 plus, next leave the 6, next plus 5. Same, 3 plus 6 plus 4. So what is the answer here? 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Next, 13 minus 13, that will be the 0. If the difference is 0, then it is divisible by 11. If the difference is divisible by 11, then also divisible by 11. So here 0 we got difference, then what we can say here? Therefore 1,37,654 is divisible by 11. Like that you have to check for all the numbers. Beat 1, C, D, E. All 4 problems do it yourself. Okay. The homework is solve the 3.1 till 4th main in a HW. That is the homework for you. We will continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.